Alright, hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am filming instead of the basement, so I got the new sound machine and it has 20 sounds and I'll go through what it looks like. So over here, this is the power button right here to turn on and off. And then we got volume here to increase it loud or quiet. And then we got the next sound, the backwards too. And then we got lights, so you can change the colors of each lights. So we got orange, yellow, green, light green, cyan, red, green, blue, and back to white. And then this is on and off. And then we got the timer to set how long for each meditation and sound. So like 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours, or 4 hours. And back to the original spot. And I had to turn off because there was music, so all of them have 20 sounds, which I'll go through them. So that'll be the next part of the video. So here's all the sounds I'm gonna demonstrate for y'all. So this is white noise. Pink noise. I have no idea what this one is. This one's fan. Water. Raindrops. I believe this one's thunder and lightning, I think. That actually sounds a river, just like the other version. Yeah, here's that one. And that one. Or even better than the other one, actually. This one's beach waves. Yeah, there's like so many sounds I can demonstrate. So there are 30 sounds. And this one is raindrop. And that one is birds for nature and forest. And that one's fireplace. Campfire too. Just like the other one. That one's train, which we don't do for sound bath. And then this is basically music. And not that one, of course. That's just whistling, like a shaman or something. I think I like this one for heartbeat. For like, if we're gonna do like, for example, heart chakra, then I use the sound machine for heart beating. I believe this is violin or something. That one's piano for doing actually a calming meditation or yoga or something like that. That one's soothing. Oh, I like this one actually. I don't know if you can hear it. And then we're back to this one. And then white noise. Yeah, that's all I showed you, all the sounds. Yeah, um, I was going through the mall, blasting the volume, and me talking without using the mic. So hopefully, in the next video, I'll show you some other ones that I got, a different kind of sound machines, and maybe some candles too I haven't showed, and maybe Galaxy Light, which will be coming up soon. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next week.